Hello there, in this tutorial I'm going to find it out about the values from VLOOKUP formula. So in the last video we learned about the HLOOKUP formula. Now this video we learn about a VLOOKUP formula. Now V means vertical and lookup is to search the value. Now there is a basic difference between lookup, HLOOKUP and VLOOKUP is the lookup can be work in row columns. Then HLOOKUP will work only in rows and VLOOKUP will only works in a columns. So V is vertically, VLOOKUP will work only in columns, like HLOOKUP will only works in a row. And lookup is to search the value. We have some database out there. We have given the values as well. For example, I have some employee code, their post, their salary, and their center acquire, which center they are working. And I have also given a serial number at the top. You can see 1 2 3 4. It means 1 column, 2 column, 3 column, 4 column. 1 column consists employee code, 2 column will consist post, 3 column will consist salary, 4 column will consist center. And this is how we're going to find out. For example, let's find it out the values, and we're going to find out this VLOOKUP formula. We can find out from, and let me give me a number. Okay, so let me give me doing some sorting out there to find it a value. Now for example, say post, or say okay, got it. Let me, okay, that's the thing. Okay, it's look good now. For example, we have a different employee code, we have a post, we have salary, we have center, and we want to know about the database. For example, as say that now I want to know about the value FK10. Now wants to know about anything, post, salary, center, that of which center that employee belongs, and the employee code belongs. So for example, equal VLOOKUP the formula. When you click on it, it will ask you the lookup value. Where's your lookup value to know about it? So sorry, yeah, okay. So lookup value, what is the lookup value? You are finding about what is the actual value. So we're finding about FK10, then comma, then table array. So table array will be selected from the first column, the first row will be employee code. It will not be selected from the number I provided, 1 2 3 4. Not the database started from employee code, so it needs to be start from employee code to the last digit. We just assign the number to the rows, but we have to select from employee code. Employee code is in this case till the last. And for example, you have any confusions out there, you can just select from the last to, from the first to last as well, to select the values. This is another way you can find it out from. Now just put a column out there, and a column index number 20. So the column index number, if I say that I want to find it about the salary, I want to know about the salary of the person, so I say 3. And here, as we mentioned, that if your database is in ascending, then put 1 on it. 1, it means true, approximate match. And for false, you need to put a 0 because your database is not ascending, so that's why you need to put 0. Otherwise, if your data is ascending, you have to put 1. Put 1, it means approximate match. You are correct in your match. Just click 0 if it's since my database is not ascending, so I need to say 0 in that case. Otherwise, if your database is ascending, like we have did in lookup as well, that our database was ascending, our database was there in ascending. We just sorted out the data. Since in VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP there is no compulsory that your database should be in a sorted form. It can't be anything, so that's the reason we put a bracket on it, click, hit enter, and we just find it out the salary of FK10. I'm just finding it out of FK10, and the first value itself, FK10, the salary was 12,000, and we just got it the exact value of 12,000 via VLOOKUP formula. Now, for example, for say FK10, after FK10, let's find out by FK02. This is the employee code. We're to find about the value. Once again, let me apply the formula VLOOKUP equal to VLOOKUP, and we can find out VLOOKUP then FK02 says the value FK02, then we have selected the database, copy it, column index number, the column index number. Now in this case, what you want to know about post salary center, so that is totally depend. You need to put the value, which you once again say, if I say the value is 2, I want you to know about the post of FK02, whether our data is in ascending and descending. I say that it is in a non-ascending, it's not sorted out, so we need to put a 0 bracket, and FK02 is WFM. The post of FK02 is WFM. Just find it out value FK02, hit enter, and we just got it value WFM. This is for the values FK02. Other value we can try about that. Employee code FK12 equals to VLOOKUP. Let me find out VLOOKUP, and equals to VLOOKUP. Give a value VLOOKUP. In a bracket, lookup value. We're going to find out about FK12. Copy the entire database. Then column. We find about center. Center value is 4. The range, which is again is not sorted out, 0. And you can see FK12 is based on Endor. Find it out about that. FK12, let me find out. Yep, you can see that. FK12 Endor. So this is how we find out about some sorting, and this is how we find out something from VLOOKUP and lookup formulas. This is what VLOOKUP works in vertical, it means in columns, and HLOOKUP works in horizontals, it means in rows. So this is how we find out values from VLOOKUP. Hope you learned something from it. Thanks for watching.